Hi everyone. Just give me a minute. I'm just posting a story and then we can begin. Hello. How's everybody? Can you hear me? Hi guys, can you hear me? Okay. So let's start. So yesterday it was Monday. I will show you guys if I took a treat. I took a bite trade yesterday. Let me just quickly show you guys from where. One fine day, your live watching will reach to 5K. Thank you so much for saying that. I hope so too. But let's see. My goal is just to help people. If I can help even one person, then I'm good with that. Because quite honestly, I'm not really earning any money through these live streams. So I just want to help people. Okay. So let's actually first start with what we can see for the day. Firstly, this is how the daily chart looks. Okay, and you can see that overall the structure was bullish for the daily chart. Overall we have been going up, but right now here there was a very major supply which actually got broken down. But yeah, so we can, in a way we can say that right now the daily chart is in a little bit of a consolidation. So we can't say much until and unless price starts trading above this or below this. That's when I can say that my direction on the daily chart is clear. Until then, I don't have any single direction. Moving on to the 4-hour chart. 4-hour looks nice for today. I can see a supply. Now, how many of you guys attended the order flow boot camp? Can you analyze for gold? Yes, I'll do yes and gold. You guys let me know, because whenever I do these live streams, I'm mainly focusing on ES or NASDAQ. If you guys tell me that there is some particular instrument which you want me to analyze, then I will do that for you guys. Just let me know what you want me to do. And if you have any questions, then you can ask me. Okay, so in that you can see that I was teaching you about impulse, pause, impulse, rest, impulse, right? So now look at this pattern over here. This is the 4-hour chart of ES, right? These are two rest candles, okay? And this was one impulse candle. And before that we had a green candle, a decently green candle. So this also you can say is an impulse candle. So what will I do right now is I will mark a supply region like this. I think this is a very nice supply region, and price can come up and it can give a fall from there. But um, that is obviously very far from the current price action. Let's go on to a smaller time frame and let's see what's there. Let's check out the 1-hour time frame. Again, on the 1-hour time frame, I have impulse, rest, impulse. If anybody is confused, then please go and watch that video of mine. Then you will understand this pattern. Which means I have this rest candle which can act as a supply. So if the price comes to that zone and then gives me some sort of a bearish confirmation on order flow, then I can take it. So that I have. And other than that, let's see if I have something on 3 hours, 2 hours. On 3 hours, I have this only, so I can mark this and keep this entire thing. Interesting day. Really interesting day. Let's do this. Volume is there, but not so much. But here the volume is maximum, and this is the VPOC. This line is the point of control, which means a lot of activity has been taken here. So let me think. Is there a 5-minute zone over here? Not really. Okay, so if there's a new demand, then I'd like to take buy. But the best possible setup would be taking a sell from the areas which I've marked. Is that clear, guys? That is the best thing. But if there's a nice buy trade, if a new demand gets created during the session, I don't mind taking that too. And yeah, let me see if there's anything on the 5-minute time frame. I had this, it's been tapped. Cool, so mainly I'm looking for short setup, but if there's a new demand, then I don't mind taking buy. I need to see some sort of a strength in the order flow. Let me see. Red folder news. Yes, we have job openings, I guess. ये ट्रेड फ्लुएंसा ज्वाइन कैसे होता है, आप उनको मैसेज कर सकते हो, और you can DM me, then I'll connect you with them. My bullish order flow level for gold is nearly 4188 for today. Can you have a look at that? I think initially it will push up to the premium and then dump. I am bearish for the day. I am bearish for the day too, but I don't mind taking a buy if the open provides conditions like that. Give me a second. Okay, I will help you guys with gold also. Guys, do you have any questions? Please ask me questions. Gold looks fun too. Again, same problem with gold also. Look at the daily chart. You can see that the price right now is stuck in this very, very messed up range. I would want the price to either go above the range or below the range for me to be able to analyze the daily chart, because this just looks messed up. Going on the 4-hour chart, the supply is very, very above. Here I have a supply which is pretty far right now, and yeah, see this I really don't like this kind of a price action wherein the price is just cluttered in a single area. But if I have to still take a trade, what would I do? Let me go on the futures chart, sorry. Yeah. What I would do is I would take a buy actually. Even right now, you see where the price is reacting. The from the white line which I drew, the price is literally reacting from the VPOC. So it is a nice area. Right now, you could enter a buy if order flow confirms, I guess, and target some sort of highs. Yeah, I think that's actually a very nice area to buy if order flow confirms. I'm not really a fan of gold lately, but yes. Will today be choppy? I think so because of FOMC and not just FOMC. Today also we have job openings. Until then, I'm not very sure. Let's see what market AI has to say because we have the FOMC tomorrow. That's gonna be the moment FOMC is over. We will have more of volatility in the market. Someone was asking for what? GU, right? GBP USD. Let me check that for you. I don't really like to trade GU. Okay, so whoever's trading GU, I just want to say something. Again, just take this advice with like, I'm just a friend giving you this advice. But you don't even have to trust me. Just try to notice what I'm telling you on the charts. GU and EU usually move the same way, but GU stops you out before the actual move. So I just feel like GU has a lot of manipulations and a lot of stop hunts. So whenever you are trading, always try to notice what I'm saying. If you just avoid trading GU, not just avoid, if you trade GU by confirming the chart with Euro chart as well, and then if you take GU, then it's fine because otherwise sometimes there's divergence and GU usually stops you out. So try to coordinate it with the movement of EU and only take trades on GU if EU is also giving you the same type of setup. But again, that's just what I have observed in the market, so it's totally up to you. Yeah, so Euro USD is slightly bullish. Intraday is also bullish. Let's see what's happening. And today we have the job opening. So make sure that you are keeping that in mind before you take any sort of trade. Also, I started Blueberry Futures account of 50k ASIN challenge, and which is why I'm learning how to use this black arrow. I started a 50k account. Let's see how that happens. Let's see how that works. Because I'm very new to black arrow, so I'm kind of figuring things out and seeing what happens. I can see proper AMD on gold. Yes, even I saw that. Yesterday, my trade in gold just got activated by missing 3 pips and hits TP. I deleted trade as it is invalid and I just accepted it. It is not my. What mindset should I be in this situation? Okay, first, Devi Prasad. First of all, if I think personally, if that happened for the first time, or if it's a very rare thing, then I think it's okay. There's nothing to worry about. In fact, I think your mindset is completely okay. But if this happens over and over again and you see that your trade does not get activated by a couple of pips, then in that part, then I would just say that you should maybe be a little bit less conservative with your entry and maybe have an entry from somewhere a little bit above. Okay. Sai Siddharth, thank you for the super chat. GU is for London, EU is for New York. Yes, you are right. I completely agree with what you're saying. But that's what I've noticed, that sometimes if I have a trade, if I have the same setup on EU and then the same setup on GU, then I like to take it. But if I have the setup on GU, but I do not have that setup on EU, and if I still take the GU trade, then I usually get stopped out. So that is what I'm talking about. Let's go back to market AI. Macro outlook, we have JOLTS at 10 a.m. Eastern time. So please keep that in mind. All right. Anything else? Well, let's see what the sentiment indicator says. Market shows selective risk taking with gains in tech and cautious. Right now, people are cautious. Let's see if Trump has anything to say today. Uh, Moderate risk, so it's not low risk. Capital flows. Cool. I am very excited to trade ES today. Again, I'm telling you guys, I swear to God, if gold goes above from here, it's gonna be crazy. Uh-oh. Yeah. So, yes, I'm gonna mainly focus on that. Again, I'm looking for shorts, but I don't mind taking a buy if it's very strong. Okay, guys, that's it for today. Let me know if you have any questions, everyone. Same with me, I was in trade and then I just missed the TP and that trade was BE. I booked early, I would be 5% up, but I'm stuck at 2%. You're still up by 2%. I think it's a win. Check oil, crude oil, let's see. US oil. One sec, guys. Crude futures, CL. Yeah. Let me delete this. Delete. Amazing. This, you know what? This is a very, very, very good zone. The one I'm marking, make sure that you mark it. Let me tell you why. Impulse, rest, impulse. Impulse, rest, impulse. This zone. Try to, somebody guess. Why am I saying this is a good zone? There's another reason why I'm saying that this is a good zone. Someone guess, then I will give you guys a 25k funded account challenge of futures. If anybody guesses why I have marked the zone, why do I think the zone is gonna be very crazy? The first reason I said impulse, rest, impulse, this is a demand zone. But there is something else which is making the zone extremely, extremely amazing. Someone guess. I'll actually give you guys a 25k funded account if you guess. Think harder. This zone which I've marked in red. What makes this powerful? Why is this powerful? This is an order block, great. But there is something which is why I think obviously order flow needs to confirm. If price taps here, it might very strongly go up because of some reason. For me, it's Quasimodo level. FVG, you're very close. Very, very close. Liquidity. Amazing. It is liquidity. Why? Because I have equal lows. I have a demand zone right below the equal lows. So the equal lows will get swept. And then I reach the demand and then the price goes up. Amazing. Who answered it? Pritesh, you drop me your email ID and your Instagram. I will give you a 25k funded. అక్క ఆర్డర్ ఫ్లో గురించి ఏమన్నా లైవ్ పెడతారా? మీరు నా వర్క్షాప్ అటెండ్ చేశారా? I want to keep alive, but the only issue is I really want both of my laptop screens in the live, but I'm not able to connect the other laptop because, yeah, I just need to figure out the logistics and then I'll show that as well. I would love to do that. But yeah, anyway, coming back to crude oil, I genuinely think that if the price comes here and order flow confirms, and there is a chance that the price goes really high. So mark that and keep. Um, yeah, that is all for today, guys. I don't have anything else. Did you use Delta? Trader's Journey? No. You didn't watch it? Then you should watch it. Go on my page and there is a video, you should watch it. What was I doing? I was giving you the video, right? Tea Trader's Journey. I'm giving you the link. Make sure that you watch that and you can join my live streams daily. Then ask me your doubts. Do you just use Delta or cumulative Delta as well? I use both. Big imbalance started from there and price returned to buy conditions. Okay, but my answer was just liquidity, and that person answered it, and then he just vanished. Let me just click a picture. Tried that artist software, couldn't understand anything. You will be very confused in the beginning. I will, you know what, I'll try to come up with sessions very often now so that I'm able to teach you guys more and more. You guys tell me, actually, I want to know what is the time when you all will be available so that I can schedule those sessions at a timing which is suitable for everyone. Then I'll keep them. You let me know. Varma Annam. Hey Soumya, how are you? I'm good. Thank you. How are you? What do you suggest to beginners to enter into futures? What do you suggest? Yes. Who got the free account? The free account goes to Pritesh Shelke. Okay, guys, I don't really have much to discuss further. But yeah, keep joining the live streams. It will help you build a perspective. It'll help you guys see the markets the way I see the markets. Shelke Pritesh. Let me just click a picture of yours. Is that your Insta? Do you want to, just give me your email as well. Artists is hard to understand. My footprint charts don't look like yours, and I don't know what settings I have to change. Okay, let's just do a session on just what you are saying, this exact thing. I'll do one thing. I'll create a workspace for myself, okay? I'll create a workspace on Artist, and I will share that PDF of my workspace to all of you all. And then you guys just download my workspace, and then you import that workspace into your artist. I'll help you guys through the entire process on YouTube only, and then your footprint charts will look just like mine. Let's do that. Fine. Thanks for letting me know. See, this is what I want to know. I don't know what kind of problems are you guys facing, right? If you guys ask me these questions, that's when I'll know that you're having this prob- uh, problem. Can we use this platform for the Indian market? I'm not very sure. Check it out for yourself. I don't know. I'll see and I'll let you know. Where are you staying in Telugu states? I'm not staying in Telugu states. Um, Pritesh, send me your email. Are you totally into futures? Yeah, I am into futures, but I also do have a couple of CFD accounts, but I like futures more. Same. I was trying hard to make the delta look same. Okay, guys, you need to let me know this because I don't know because I've been using my artist from months now and I completely forgot how it looks like when you open it for the first time. I will give you guys my workspace. You just import it and you will get a file and then you put that into yours. I will teach you guys that. So you guys let me know on Instagram, reach out to me, tell me what are the days and what are the timings you all would want the sessions like these, so that we can have some regular timings for them and we can just talk, meet and learn new things. How do you handle your taxes? Any recommendations? CA. Post poll related to time 8 p.m. See, 8 p.m. is not okay because I'm trading during that time and I don't like to do anything else when I'm trading, which is why I also have my pre-market sessions, which is before I start trading. Um, Not able to send mail here. It's okay, you DM me, please. If I want to switch to futures from forex, how should I start? I'll get good experience in forex pairs. Okay, firstly, just go on YouTube and start reading about futures, start learning about futures, start watching random videos and get to know more about them. Try to understand how to use TradeOvate and all the platforms, because right now you might be using MetaTrader, so you're very familiar with how to use MT5. You will take a little bit of time to become that used to do TradeOvate or Artist or whatever software you use. Become familiar with that and then just buy a small account and start exploring. Buy like the smallest account possible, and it's not even expensive. Futures challenges are not expensive. Like I would say CFD challenges are expensive, but futures are not. So start experimenting with like very small accounts, and that's how you will learn. But yeah, just start um, do some giveaways again later. I will do another giveaway tomorrow during the live stream, so you can join that. How to get the payout into INR without taxes? No idea, bro. Just pay your taxes. How long have you been trading order flow and volume profile? Mm, Maybe like 10 months. I think so. Yeah, so I'll just end the session if you guys don't have any more questions. Jaldi se let's see what's happening in ES now. It's going down. I really want this to go up and then give me a setup here. But again, like I said, I'm very unbiased right now. I don't mind taking a buy from here as well. Bless me, sorry. Gold also is going down. But yeah, again, today we have news at 8:30, 10 a.m. So make sure that you remember that. Um, anyway, guys, congratulations, whoever won the giveaway. I forgot the name. One second. Congratulations to Pritesh. Congratulations. I will send you your giveaway account. You DM me. And guys, tomorrow join my live session again. I'll keep it around 7 p.m. only. I'll do another giveaway. So let's see who wins that. Katyani, hi. Um, Hi, the futures prop firm I see are mostly monthly. Is it the same for all prop firms? Monthly is just as long as you pass the challenge. Once you pass the challenge, then there's no fee from your end. How many trades do you take per day? One or two, sometimes zero. Okay, guys, again, if anybody wants to use my codes on any of the platforms, then make sure to use my code SOWMY. It will give you guys a discount and me some commission. So it will be a win-win for both. And if you guys want to know about a crypto platform, then it's called Cointracts. It's a very good website. That is the only crypto platform I trust. You can use my code Soumya again for a discount on it. This is for you crypto traders. Katyayani says, what's one advice you'd give to someone who's just learning to trade? I think that you should don't forget to share the workspace of yours because it's really hard. Yes, I will. You just text me and remind me. Yeah, so a beginner for somebody who's just learning to trade, I would say that first find a good, trustworthy person and watch their live streams every day. If you are here, I think you're in the right place. And another advice, I would say, do not join any signals groups on Telegram, and just be careful because there are a lot of scammers out there. Do live trading sessions. Yeah, I really want to. Once I figure out how to connect my one sec. Sorry. Sorry, I don't know why I'm laughing. You are a really cool guy while teaching. Thank you, I guess. Okay, guys, it's time for me to trade now. I will just leave now. Which pair is good for buying right now? I'm looking for gold, but not right now. Let's see. Okay, guys, I'll see you guys tomorrow. Bye bye.